Merhaba, foodies. Today we're venturing into the world of Turkish cuisine to explore a delightful creation that's often considered the cousin of pizza, pide. Join me in the kitchen as we uncover the secrets of crafting this unique and flavorful Turkish dish, known for its boat-shaped dough and a variety of delectable toppings. Let's dive into the art of making pide. Ingredients for the dough: 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup warm water, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 packet active dry yeast. Ingredients for the toppings: lamb and vegetarian options. Ground lamb, seasoned and cooked, for meat lovers. Mix of bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, and feta cheese for vegetarians. Olive oil for brushing. Instructions for preparing the dough: in a bowl, combine warm water, sugar, and yeast. Let it sit until foamy. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, olive oil, salt, and the yeast mixture. Knead the dough until smooth, cover, and let it rise until doubled in size. Instructions for rolling and shaping: divide the dough into smaller portions and roll each into an oval shape resembling a boat. Instructions for adding toppings: place your choice of toppings on the rolled dough, leaving a border around the edges. For meat lovers, add seasoned and cooked ground lamb. For vegetarians, use a mix of colorful veggies and feta cheese. Instructions for brushing with olive oil: brush the edges of the dough with olive oil for a golden finish. Instructions for baking: bake in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius until the edges are golden and the dough is cooked. Instructions for serving: slice and serve the pide hot with a side of yogurt or a squeeze of lemon. Conclusion: voila! You've just mastered the art of crafting pide, the delicious cousin of Turkish pizza. Whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, pide offers a delightful experience for every palate. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Afiyet olsun. Bon appetit.